Check this. Ditto Echo. Street name, Ditto Echo. Government name, Princess Charming. You with me? Crap wrestler finally dropped out of school, Rue loose in the top paddock. One Friday night, Teddy B pushes her into a corner. Teddy B, you with me? Wild, hairy, hands like paws. And Teddy B says, yo, Ditto Echo. I got a Franklin here that says you can't maintain your self-image. That's identity and self-esteem over the course of the next 12 hours. And sure enough, later that night, Ditto Echo drinks her IQ into double digits, drives a car like your friend Oliver Powers, and ends up behind bars for DUI. So, we don't see her at school for however long, and you know what she's doing the whole time she's out? Never guess. She's working out, you with me? Maintaining her self-image. That's identity and self-esteem. 4 times a day, before going to bed and before every meal. Just like she was saying her prayers. More so, in fact. Every second that sister was government property, she was working out, reviewing her list, getting stronger at maintaining her self-image. That's identity and self-esteem. So, she's gone for however long, and the first morning she's back, she pushes Teddy B into a corner and she says, yo, Teddy B, how many Franklins you got there that say I can't maintain my self-image? That's identity and self-esteem over the course of the next 12 hours. And Teddy B says, heavy, heavy ebonics. 5 Franklins, everything on me. So they pony up, they check the definition of self-image, that's identity and self-esteem. It's cogent, and suddenly everybody in the school has stopped what they're doing. Complete stillness and complete silence. They're all looking at Ditto Echo. And Ditto Echo stands there all tall and full of tude and sure of her ability to balance her self-image, that's identity and self-esteem. And could she maintain? Did they reach the logical conclusion that she could maintain? Of course not. Reason it out. If she could have, she...
Truck driver!